Hey again, I'm so happy you're here with us. We have dozens and dozens of healthy recipes for your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. We also put together a number of videos to show you the best way to really personalize your pure body protein shakes and learn how to add peanut butter, blueberries, almonds, coconut shavings, and a base of almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk, milk, or water. The variations, they're truly endless. When you purchase, you'll also have access to our cooking library of recipes for using pure body protein as a food additive to boost the protein content of common everyday foods. So you'll learn how to make healthy protein-rich waffles, pancakes, bowls, afternoon pick-me-ups, crepes, and so much more. So I know you're gonna like what you see, and you'll love what you taste.